I'm Mrs. Teriyaki, and today we're going to be taking a detailed look at the Satin Shattered Backboard 1. The Nike Sneakers app had given exclusive access to some ladies to get their hands on this pair a couple of days early. I was one of the fortunate ones, so let's take a detailed look at the third installment of the Satin Jordan 1. One of the first details that we notice is the main swoosh on the side panel, which is completely embroidered. Something you wouldn't find on a regular Jordan 1 or even the Satin Bread or the Satin Royals. The next detail is the icy sole. These are an icy orange colour and they work so well on this shoe. Both of these details you'll find in the Season of Her collection that Jordan dropped earlier this year. Now onto the all important point, the leather. It's hard for me to say, but I feel as though the quality on these satins are better than the originals. I only say that because the consistency of the leather is better throughout on the shoe, whereas on the Shattered Backboards, some of the black panels around the ankle collar can be a little bit tougher and not quite as soft. And when you look at them side by side, you can see they've both been executed so well. They're amazing in their own right and they stand alone for their own reasons. The more recent one, a little bit more feminine with the touches that I showed you. For me, Jordan Brand have done an awesome job executing this shoe. Not just the materials and the quality, but giving women exclusive access to a shoe early, and just to a great shoe all around. It's not your typical women's sneaker, it's actually really fire and it's a beautiful shoe. Apologies that this video is going up a little bit later after the release, but if you still want to cop and you're wondering about sizes, just go true to size and don't be put off by the women's sizing. Here's some on feet of the shoes, enjoy and thanks for watching. This is Mrs. Teriyaki. Peace.